Hi students, welcome to my channel. From today onwards, I would like to go with the MSET problems. Okay, our target is 80 out of 80. Okay, now in this short period, how to practice our problems? Just you can follow the methods. For every method, you should do number of problems. Okay, now for MSET, the mathematics can be divided 5 parts. One is algebra and second one is calculus and third one coordinate geometry and the fourth one trigonometry and fifth one vectors. Okay, these are weightage wise order: algebra, calculus, coordinate geometry, trigonometry and vectors. Every part has number of topics. If you want weightage topic wise, definitely you will comment on comment box. I will keep PDF file. Weightage or problems also I will keep definitely if you want. Okay, please follow my FB or Insta and also my mail ID, Gmail ID sreenu31bonala@gmail.com. Okay, if you want any PDF file, please ask. I will keep in there. FB, FB or Gmail. Okay, if you want any doubts, please follow my FB, Insta and also Gmail. Okay, let us go with our topics. Okay, let us go with our first topic is functions. For functions, we will get maximum marks, 4 marks, most weighted topic for 4 questions. Okay, functions. Sir, why we are choosing at the first functions? Actually, function topic is critical. Why? Because it is useful for all the topics. It is linked with all the topics. Total topics are depending on functions actually. Okay, that's why I am choosing this topic, and also most weighted. Definitely we will get 4 marks. Okay, let us go with topic. Now, what is the definition of function? Here we have number of types of functions here, but actually here in these videos I am discussing only the points which are mostly useful for our MSET problems, multiple choice problems. Okay, let first of all definition of function. What is the definition of function? Let f a to b here. A and b are non-zero sets. Non-zero sets means definitely these are have one or more elements. Okay, f a to b is said to be a function or mapping if the every element of A, like this. Suppose A, B, C, B, 1, 2, 3. 2 sets are here. Let the function like this from A to B. Every element of A should be connected, should be linked. Okay, should be connected or should be linked. Linked and also associated, okay, with the elements of B. But how? The every element of A should be associated at most should be associated, we can using this term, with at most elements of B. Okay, then that is called the function. Here observe, at most means maximum, at most one element, one element of B. Okay, maximum one element, definitely maximum one element means unique element, only one element. Okay, now observe here, A, B, C are definitely these are associated. Okay, now these are no empty. Now here 2 is a empty, not connected with any element. Observe here. So every element of A should be connected, should be associated with at most elements, one element of B, unique element of B. Now it is a function. Okay, observe here, it is a function. Okay, this is the definition of function. Now can you say this? Now in this, which one is a function or not? Let us take for example A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 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 Now here observe these diagrams. Now is this a function? Observe here, it is not a function because of the element of A associated with two elements. Observe here, two elements. It is not a function. Okay, and here it is a function, definitely. Okay, every element should associated with only at most one element, but here two elements, it is associates with two elements. Okay, now here it is a function. Yes, it is a function. Now here F, is it a function? Every element, the element should associated only one element, but this is not a function because of C is empty, not connected with any element. Yes or no? Okay, now actually every element of A, yes or no? Okay, that's why, but here only the two elements are participated in relation, so that's why it is not a function. Every time we have some confusion in this topic. Okay, that's why I am giving one example, one funny example. Let's see here. You can say, you can say the first set, okay, every element should be participated, yes or no? Say the first set of sons. Okay, let's say the first set A is the set of sons. Now B is the set of fathers. B is the what? Set of fathers. Now here one or more sons definitely associated with only one father, yes or no? Just that's example. Okay, one or two, but here one son associated with two fathers. It cannot be possible. Yes or no? Okay. Now it is a funny example I am giving. Okay. Now A is a set of sons. Let's say B is a set of fathers. Definitely you will remember this. Okay. No confusion is there. Okay. Now it is a function. It is not a function. Now in this function, the elements which are participated, A, B, C, the elements here, A equals what? A, B, C. Now these are nothing but domain. Okay. Now it is denoted by domain of function A, B, C. Okay. Now and the set B, second set, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 are called codomain. Okay. The set 1, 2, 3, set B is called codomain. Okay. Now it is denoted by like this. And range, what about range? Now range, the elements are which are participated in relation, participated, these are connected with some element. Now A with connected with 1, B is connected with 1, and also C connected with 3. Now 2 and 4 are not connected with anyone. Yes or no? Okay. Now simple, these are inputs. What are those? A and B. Then outputs are 1, 3. Yes or no? These are nothing but range. Okay. Now 2 and 4 are not outputs. Okay. These are empty. Now here the range is defined by like this, denoted by like this. Then sorry. Now that is nothing but 1, 3, because these are the outputs. So these are the range of functions. Okay. Domain, codomain, range. Okay. I hope you are understand. Okay. Next, in competitive level exam, they are given some graphs. Here we have to decide. Actually, the definition is what? The every element of first set should be associated with a unique element of second set. That is a definition. Okay. Now the definition by the graph, by the graphical method, let observe how to decide the function. We can decide the function, that is a function, decide the function by the graph. Okay. Observe how. Decide the function. Suppose when we draw a line. Which line? Vertical line. We draw a vertical line. Parallel to the y-axis. It meets the curve. It meets the curve at most 1 point. We know at most means maximum 1 point. Okay. It meets the curve at most 1 point. Okay. Like this. Observe. We draw a vertical line parallel to the y-axis. It meets the curve at most 1 point. Okay. That is meeting at only 1 point, definitely. Otherwise, it is not a function. Remember. Then it is called, then it is a function. When it meets at most 1 point. Okay, observe. Let us see one example. Y equals to x square. We know clearly y equals to x square. The graph of y equals to x square, diagram or graph like this. Yes or no? Okay. Now this is a y equals to x square. This is a y. And this is a x-axis, y-axis. What here mentioned? We draw a vertical line. You can draw any vertical line parallel to the y-axis like this. Parallel to the y-axis. It meets to only 1 point. Observe here like this. You can draw any vertical line parallel to the y-axis. Definitely it should meet at most 1 point. At most 1 point. So now it is called y equals to x square is called the function. It is a function. Otherwise it is not a function. For example, otherwise means, for example, like this. Now what is this? X equals to y square. X equals to y square. Suppose we can draw a vertical line parallel to the y-axis. Now it meets at 2 points only. Yes or no? 2 points. You can take one more like this. It meets 2 points. Okay. So this is not a function. Not a function. Okay. We can define the functions by graphs like this. Okay. Just we can draw the parallel line to the y-axis. Then we will decide that is a function or not. Okay. And now one function. One function. We know clearly one function. We know one function like this. Now a, b, c. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. When it is a function, every element is participated in relation. Okay. Now observe here. Distinct elements should be associated with distinct elements. Distinct to distinct. Yes or no? Distinct elements with associated with distinct. One element is associated with one element. Okay. Then it is called one function. Already we know about this, but now this is by graphical method. Graph. How to decide the one function by graph? Let observe. Now it is the one. Otherwise it is a many one. Okay. Like this. Suppose a, b, c and 1, 2, 3 like previous function like this. A1, B1 and C1. It is a many one. First of all, it is a function or not? Function. Every element should be participant. First of all, we have to decide that is a function. Okay. After that, there is a one or any one. Okay. Let us go with graph. By the graph. Okay. Actually, one function can be decided by graph. Here you can observe it is like previous, like function. The function we can taking the line parallel to the y-axis. Here parallel to the x-axis. Okay. If we can draw, we draw a line parallel to the here x-axis. which meets it is meets which is it meets where it meets the curve at most, here also at most maximum, at most 1 point. Okay, at most 1 point. Here also same like. Then it is called 1 function. Otherwise that is a many one. Okay, let observe. Okay, let observe. You can take y equals to mod x. We know y equals to mod x graphic like this V-shaped graph. Okay. So first of all, for every function 1 or any one, first of all we have to decide that is a function or not. For function we can doing what? For function we have to decide the graph by taking the line parallel to the y-axis, like this. Okay, it meets the curve at 1 point only, so it is a function. Clearly it is a function, it meets at only 1 point. Okay, now 1 or not, let observe. Now we can draw a line parallel to the x-axis. Okay, the y-axis, any line like this. Okay, it meets at 2 points. Let observe, not at most, not maximum 1, 2 points here. Now here we can taking x-axis. For function we can taking parallel to the y-axis. For 1 we can taking parallel to the x-axis. Okay, now it is not a 1 because it is not a 1. It is a function but not 1. Function but not 1. So it is a many one. Okay, many one function. Okay, we can taking the definitions proofs by graphs like this. We can observing more graphs. I hope you are understand. Okay, can you say these graphs are like, suppose now this is a function. Is this a function? If it is a function, is this 1 and also is this a function? If it is a function, is this 1 and that one? Like this graph. I think you know about these graphs. Okay, we know this is a circle, this is the step of x, this is step of y. Okay, is this a function? For function we can doing what? Now we can draw a line, parallel line, yes or no? Right, parallel line. First of all, it is not a function. Definitely it is not a 1, 1. Yes or no? It is not a function. Not a function, not a 1, 1. Okay, first of all, that is not a function. Don't think about the 1, 1. Okay, now it is we can draw a parallel line. Okay, we can draw any line like this. Okay, it meets the curve at most 1 point only. Observe, at most 1 point. Now it is a function. Now for 1, 1, we can drawing a line parallel to the x-axis. Draw. It meets at 3 points. So it is not a 1, 1. It is not a 1, 1. Okay, now here. Okay, take vertical lines. Okay, now it is a function, definitely. It meets at most 1 point only. For 1, 1, let observe, we can drawing a x-axis parallel to the line to the x-axis like this. Let here observe here. Here we can draw like this. Already curve is like this. Then we can drawing like this. Now here number of infinite points, common points are there, yes or no? Okay, it meets number of points, infinite points. So it is not a 1. Okay, here also same like this. We can drawing a parallel line like this, like this. You can draw any line. Okay, it meets at most 1 point only. So it is the function. Okay, but it is not a 1, 1 because of let observe, it meets at 1, but suppose we can drawing a like this parallel to the x-axis. Now here we have number of points are there. Okay, here number of points are there. So it is not a 1, 1. Now here suppose you can drawing a vertical line parallel to the y-axis like this. Now here like this we have number of points are here, infinite points are here. So it is not a function. Okay, it is not a function. Okay, these are the graphs. Now which one is 1, 1? Suppose we can take 1, 1 function. Okay, it is like a y equals mx plus c. Now we can drawing a line like this. Now it is a function. Yes, it is a function. It meets the curve at most 1 point. At most 1 point. And also it is a 1, 1 also. We can drawing a line like parallel to the x-axis. It meets at most 1 point only. Okay, it is also 1, 1 function. Okay, now these are the graphical methods to prove functions and 1, 1 function. Okay, follow my videos. Definitely you should follow my methods. For every method you can practice number of problems. Okay, if you want any doubt, ask me in comment box, and also follow my Insta and FB. If you want any PDF files, I will send by Gmail also. My Gmail already mentioned, srinu31bonala@gmail.com. Okay, in next video, the important problems of functions, domain and range.